Air Fryer Cosori 62 liters. The control panel is a key feature, featuring a digital touchscreen with clear icons and easy-to-navigate menus. The basket has a non-stick coating, making it relatively easy to clean, although like most non-stick surfaces, care must be taken to avoid scratches. It can handle substantial portions, such as a whole chicken, multiple servings of fries, or a variety of other dishes in one go. It uses rapid air circulation technology to cook food evenly, resulting in crispy exteriors and moist interiors. Preheating is quick, and the cooking times are generally shorter compared to traditional ovens. The air fryer comes with multiple preset functions for common dishes, like fries, chicken, fish, and vegetables. For more experienced cooks, the option to manually adjust temperature and time is available, offering greater control over the cooking process. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, which simplifies the cleaning process. However, the large size of the basket might be challenging to fit in some dishwashers. Some users report that it can be a bit noisy during operation, especially when running at higher temperatures. It comes with a shake reminder feature that prompts you to shake or turn food during cooking to ensure even results. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features.